I am C.A. Paul, a retired mathematics teacher. Today, I will explain the types of primitive Pythagorean triples. In the last episode, I explained the primitive and non-primitive Pythagorean triples. In that session, I explained what is Pythagorean triple and what is the size, the length of the sides of the right angle triangle. From that, how we can reach the Pythagorean triples and how we can select the primitive Pythagorean triples and non-primitive Pythagorean triples, and how to find I explained one method to find the primitive and non-primitive Pythagorean triples. In this, the types of Pythagorean triples, there are only two types according to the differences between the hypotenuse and the other two sides. There are only three terms in a Pythagorean triple. The one term of this one represents the base of a right angle triangle. The other term will represent the altitude of a right angle triangle, and the third one is representing the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. Primitive Pythagorean triple has some peculiarities. A Pythagorean triple consists of three integers, and a primitive Pythagorean triple, the three integers have no common factor other than 1. Here we are finding the difference between the hypotenuse and the other two sides. We can take one example for that. The first example is 3, 4 and 5. The longest side, that is 5, that is representing the hypotenuse. This is the largest side among the rest two. This is the smallest one. Then 5 minus 4, that is equal to 1. Again 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. From this, we cannot understand anything. Two numbers, the difference between two numbers, difference between another two numbers. We cannot come into a conclusion from this. But before that, I am explaining about that one. Only two types of differences are there. There is one difference will be equal to the squares of odd numbers. Squares of odd numbers. That is one type of difference. And only there is another type of is there, that is this double of the square of any integer. In the second type, any integer. That is first type only the squares of odd numbers. In the second type, double of the squares of any integers. Because of that, I can or you can write this 1 as 1 to the power of 2. 1 is equal to 1 to the power of 2, and here 2 can be written as 2 into 1 to the power of 2. For this, we can see another example. That is primitive 7, 24, 25. This is another primitive Pythagorean triple. See, 25 minus 24 is equal to 1. Again 1 to the power of 2. 25 minus 7, that is equal to 18. That can be written as 2 into 3 to the power of 2. These two differences we can see in every primitive Pythagorean triple. But sometimes one change may be there. Sometimes the difference is the square of an integer between the hypotenuse and the longer side. sometimes it will be in the difference between the hypotenuse and the smallest side. This will be interchange. You can see one more. 5, 12, 30. Here also, then we can see that I am taking difference between the larger ones, 2 and the 1. 13 minus 12 is equal to 1 is equal to 1 square. 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. That is equal to 2 into 2 square. In all these cases, we can see the difference between the hypotenuse and the longer side is equal to 1. And in the other case, the difference between the hypotenuse and the smallest side is equal to the double of the square of an integer. And one more example, 8, 15 and 17. In this example, we can see the difference between the hypotenuse and the longest side or the larger term, that is equal to 2. This can be explained as double of 1 square. And again, 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. This is the square of a odd number, 3 square. Here, the difference, odd square is changed to the other side, and the double of the square of an integer is come to the difference between hypotenuse and the longer side. This can be seen in every primitive Pythagorean triple. Try to find some more examples by yourself. Thank you for seeing this one. Please like it and share it among your friends and relatives.